Hi guys, good evening. My name is Abhijay and today we are discussing what is the news updates on GST portal. Today we have updates for 26th of August 2021. It says advisory on HSN and GSTR filing. Next news is implementation of Rule 59.6 on the GST portal. There is an update for 24th of August which says webinars on complying with audit by taxpayers. So let's open the first update. It says the advisory on HSN and GSTR1 filing, which says in accordance with notification number so and so, taxpayers need to declare HSN supplied by them on raising tax invoice with effect from 1st of April on the below mentioned lines. It says aggregate turnover in the preceding financial year is above rupees 5 crore. So the number of HSN digits to be reported in GSTR 16 it has been reported by HSN used by them for reporting is not in table 12. They have further stated that they are facing issues in adding required HSN details and filing statement July. Further in some JSONs HSN coming as blank from the offline tool along with other errors processed with us. To view the detailed advisory on the action to be taken by the taxpayer, click on this. Thanking you, view all. So guys, this is a very important update because the HSN is essential to be put on the GST invoices. For the assessees having turnover above rupees 5 crore, 6-digit HSN need to be put. Essential to follow this. Then there is implementation of Rule 59.6 on the GST portal, 26th of August. What it says is restriction in filing GSTR1. Why a person not be allowed to furnish outward under GSTR1 if he has not furnished 3B for the preceding 2 months. Okay. And a person required to furnish it in every quarter shall not be allowed to furnish GSTR1 if he has not furnished 3B for the preceding tax period. So filing of GSTR 3B, do not forget. Thank you. We'll come with another update. Thank you. That's my first video.